Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to cut long sleeve for our senator outfits. I know lots of people have issues on the armhole area, which is one of the reasons why I'm making this video, to make you guys understand how to get it and how to get the work done. Okay, first of all, the first thing you need to do is to fold the fabrics into four. You fold it into four. After doing that, the sleeve length measurement I'll be using is 25. I usually use 2.5 as my cuff length for adults. Then for kids you can reduce the measurement, so you minus 1.5 from the normal sleeve length. So when you minus 1.5 from 25, you have 23.5 plus the 2.5 for the cuff length, we have 26. Remember, we usually join the cuff to the sleeve, then the sleeve to the shoulder. We use ½ inch to join the cuff to the sleeve, then another ½ inch to join the sleeve to the shoulder. This will bring us back to 25, the normal sleeve length. Okay, let me give out an information here. You can decide to use your tape and measure the circumference of your armhole, or you add 5 to the normal armhole measurement you use when you were cutting. Okay, let me take for instance the armhole measurement I used 6 as my armhole measurement. If I add 5 to it, I'll be having 11. So I'll mark at 11. But before I mark, I want to give out an important information here. To get a perfect inner arm, from this point you mark 5. After you must have done that, from that point you mark at 11, the 11 we got from our armhole. You mark them. This is very important. This is actually the reason why I'm making this video, to clarify things, to make people understand this inner arm. Some people use 4.5, it's not bad, but I'm using 5 for my clients. After marking, then you measure a level from here before you mark. You can try to join it with a curvy line, or you cut from there, but I will advise you join the line for beginners, so you'll be clarified. Like this, you join the line like this for beginners, so you'll be clarified. After you must have joined the lines like this, then from there you cut. After cutting, from this point you measure 23.5 for the sleeve length, then you mark. Then from that point you measure your round sleeve. The round sleeve we are working with is 9. Then 9 divided by 2, we have 4.5. So from that point you mark at 4.5. Mark at 4.5. Then ½ inch sewing allowance, from the ½ inch sewing allowance and your ½ inch folding allowance, then you mark. From that point you draw your curvy line. Draw your curvy line from that point. From this point you mark at 9.5. The reason I do this is because some people are muscular while some are not. To make sure that the fitting is perfect, that is why I do this. Then from there you can sketch with a curvy line. After that you can cut. The this is how I cut my sleeve. As you can see, this is how I cut my sleeve. Very perfect. You can try it out. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you guys in our next video. Bye.